Hello and good morning, class 6. We will do the poem The Way Through the Woods, that is page number 114. It has been written by Rudyard Kipling. So, you are going to see that how nature regains itself back to what it was. Okay. The magic of nature will be seen in this poem. The poem is a part of Rudyard Kipling's historical fantasy book Rewards and Fairies. So from here the poem has been taken from this collection of book Rewards and Fairies. The poet describes an abandoned road जो रोड बंद कर दिया गया है अभी और बंद हो गया है कोई कारण से in the woods through small details creating a sense of quick mystery. So quiet mystery. So, what was the mystery before? What is the mystery now? How the road has changed now? How it was before? So, we are going to study in detail through this poem. We will follow it in the book. Please follow. They shut the road through the woods. So, somebody has closed the road in the forest. Wood is forest. 70 years ago. So, when this road was blocked or this road was completely shut down, it was 70 years ago. Weather and rain have undone it again. But एक पगडंडी जो होता है ना, जहाँ से तुम चलते हो वहाँ क्या होता है, एक रोड बन जाता है. तो रोड बनते 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 वहाँ पे जो पेड़ पौधा जो भी है सब चल जाता है, वहाँ से हट जाता है. बिकॉज देर इज़ अ कंटिन्यूस मूवमेंट ऑफ human beings. But as soon as you stop going from that place, again what will happen? The origination or the greenery will again come back. So the similar thing is happening. Mausam means weather, rain, बारिश पड़ते हुए. So the nature is regaining back. वहाँ पे फिर से shrubs, वहाँ पे फिर से trees, ये सब आ रहा है और ये बढ़ गया है. एंड नाउ यू विल नेवर नो. तो तुमको अब पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि उधर एक रास्ता था. यू विल नेवर नो. So there was once a path through the woods before they planted the trees. So वहाँ पे क्या था? एक path, एक चलने का रास्ता था. जंगल से लोग इस पार उस पार जाते थे. But now what has happened? The trees are planted. The trees have regained back because the human beings do not cross from that road anymore. It is underneath the coppice and heath. What is underneath the coppice and heath? Coppice are small plants and heath is an open area of land covered with shrubs. Shrubs are छोटा छोटा bush type means पेड़ पौधा होते हैं. So what is underneath this coppice and heath? It is the road. The road that is that was before, but now it is under this coppice and heath. And the thin anemones. Anemones are also some small plants that have come out in that particular road and covered the road. ओनली द कीपर सीज. जो इसका रखवाले है ना, इस फॉरेस्ट का जो रखवाले, सिर्फ उसी को पता है रोड कहाँ पे है एंड वही आके देखभाल करता है. दैट वेयर द रिंग डव ब्रूड्स. पे रिंग डव इज कबूतर होते हैं, एक टाइप का स्पीसीज का कबूतर होते हैं. सो दे हैव अ रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर, रिंग लाइक शेप इन देयर नेक, ऑन देयर नेक. सो वो कहाँ पे अंडे दे रहे हैं वो आके कीपर देखता है. And the badger roll at ease. So badger is a small type of carnivorous animal. They look like mongoose. So what? And the badgers roll at ease. So they are all playing in that particular area. Why? Because they know that human beings are not going to come there. They are very free over there. There was once a road through the woods. So इसी रास्ते पे क्या था? एक दिन एक रास्ता, इसी जंगल पे क्या था? इसी जंगल पे एक रास्ता था पहले. Yet if you enter the woods of a summer evening late, आज भी अगर तुम उस जंगल पे जाओ, कौन से टाइम पे? समर के टाइम पे. समर थोड़ा इवनिंग में थोड़ा लेट, जब सूरज ढल जाता है, जब ठंड मीन्स नेचर जब ठंडा हो जाता है, तब तुम जाओ. When the night air cools and the trout ringed pools. Trout is a kind of fish. You will see तालाब होता है ना, वहाँ पे बारिश गिरता हुआ एक तालाब हो जाता है, तो तालाब पे क्या, trout. Trout is that small fish. They roam around. They go around that pool. Where the otter whistles is met. Otter is also a kind of animal. It's a small is carnivore animal. You can see it in the picture in your book only. So it is whistling. So this animal is whistling and calling his mate. Mate means friend. They fear not men in the woods because they see so few. So they are so happy. They can. This is the beauty of nature. In the forest, forest क्या human beings के लिए है? नहीं. Forest is for home. Forest is for the wild creatures. So they are going to enjoy in the forest. So once when the people used to go through these woods, these animals couldn't enjoy, but now they are enjoying. You will hear द बीट ऑफ अ हॉर्सेस फीट. सो पहले क्या सुनने को मिलता था, हॉर्स चल रहा है उधर से, टक बक हॉर्स इज मूविंग, एंड द स्विश ऑफ अ स्कर्ट इन द ड्यू. और हॉर्स के ऊपर अगर कोई लड़की भी बैठ जाए, उसका स्कर्ट क्या, उसका स्कर्ट फिर विंड के हिसाब से वो भी मूव होने लगेगा और आवाज़ आएगा. स्कर्ट का मीन्स हवा बहने से जो आवाज़ होता है, वो आवाज़ भी तुमको सुनाई देगा. बिकॉज पहले फॉरेस्ट इतना शांत होता था, बट नाउ वॉट, देर आर प्लेंटी ऑफ एनिमल्स, दे आर प्लेइंग, दे आर रोमिंग इन दैट सेम वेरी प्लेस where there was a complete silence. Steadily cantering through. Cantering is घोड़े का चलने का आवाज़. जब घोड़ा दौड़ता है, दैट चलने की आवाज़, दैट दौड़ने की आवाज़ इज कॉल्ड cantering. Steadily cantering through the misty solitudes. So पहले फॉरेस्ट क्या होता था, मिस्टी, डेंसली फॉग्ड with solitude, अकेलापन. But now there are plenty of trees, there are so many animals. Why? Because the humans don't disturb the nature, as though they perfectly knew. So previously these human beings knew from where the road was going, so they were very confident with that road. But now they are not, because they do not go from there, and that particular road is covered by the plants and trees and shrubs over there. The old lost road through the woods, but there is no road through the woods. So पहले जो रोड होता था, अब वो रोड नहीं है. वो पूरा नेचर ने कब्जा कर लिया उस पर. जो होना चाहिए था वही हो गया. So actually this poem is a moral value to us, that we shouldn't disturb the nature. We shouldn't go and explore the nature so much. We must leave what nature has, and what we have, we should be satisfied with what we have. We shouldn't disturb the nature or the other wild creatures. They should have their own independent life to live. Okay, so this is all about the poem. I hope it is very easy and you will all be able to understand it when you completely follow the lines altogether. Okay, thank you, bye bye.